Sucking on his meat, kinda ditches on my teeth like the three guys at Ridden. Dylan just dogged these minors. I'm in a twink and the muscles on my dick is coming quick. Shut his lips, busting this midget. Fun to ride dick slow, but it's quite fit though. Fuck him twice, come inside, busting guys, kids know. Ever since left the women, glad I'm banging brethren. Dig his ass down, bless him after every session. Fucking gazes, having cock has no cancer. So glaze his whole ass banana. Moaning like actors, test no semen. Fuck his face to death slow, blessed hoe. Still been riding on a dildo. Bust way slow, I'm like volcano. Wild this, wild guess, balls shoot a great load. Hey bro, great hold, get some rest, bang bros. The horse get better every day, best to get brain bro. Said Merc plays with balls like penetrating Todd Frazier, dedicated into never banging ball shavers. In all Dom flavors, whores, bangers, still jacking these days. I'm trafficking, never bust the same. Don't jack your thing on a fat sack to blast insane. Even when I hold meat or after seed, bust mouth inflate. Glad he came, soothing card tips. It's the truth in the bedpost, shooting long strips into dudes with a dress on. He's jacking again, the sacks of his friends. Acrobat on a fat sack when his bad back broke in. I'm just licking his damn dragon for longer. You can find me sipping his gallons of crock stuff. His bland semen, the old man screaming to the only fans of Jesus. He goes and deletes his blown man secrets.